Want to learn how to enable two-step verification or two-factor authentication on your Snapchat account? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I have already installed Snapchat app on my phone. You can also do the same and then tap on it. Make sure to get logged in just like me. Now tap on this profile icon on the top left corner. Tap on this gear icon on the top right corner. Tap on two-factor authentication below password. So you can see that login verification helps keep your account more secure, and with login verification you will need both of your password and your verification code to get logged in. So if you want to continue it, tap on continue below. So you have an option of choosing a way to receive your verification code, either through an SMS or through an authentication app. For that, you need to generate a code on your device using an app like Google Authenticator. So I'm going to choose SMS verification because I think it's going to be suitable for me. You can also do the same, or you can choose off your own and tap on it. You can see that they've sent a code to my particular number and I need to enter it. So they have already sent it and I've entered it as well. So you can see that now I have an option of generating a recovery code so you can log in on new devices in case you change or lose access to your phone number. Tap on generate below. So you can see that my recovery code is given below. I can write this somewhere safe, or you can use this code once instead of the one we text you to log back into your own account. I'm going to screenshot it. You can also do the same, or simply you can write it down anywhere and then tap on I wrote it down. So you can see that just by doing it, my SMS verification has been enabled. I'm going to get back. And yes, this is how you do it. Now, from the next time I get logged out and try to log in, I need to enter my both password and the SMS verification code. So this is how you enable two-step verification on your Snapchat. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.